Welcome back, everybody. Junkyard Dog back in action. Last time we had her out, we broke a C-hub on the axle, so we upgraded the axles to SEX 10.2. These are fully built, 30% overdrive. Portals will help me get over that a little easier. What a difference. Well, I'm gonna say that's a win with these axles and shocks. Definitely a big improvement. This truck is awesome. I'm real glad I picked this truck up. Kind of stinks that I had to do some big modifications right off the bat, but that's okay. We enjoy doing things like that, don't we? Well, guys, stay tuned. We got some more upgrades to do to this truck. Doing a little bit more changing, but it's for the good, and the previous owner will like it. That I know. Well, guys, if you guys haven't hit that subscribe button, go ahead and hit it now, because you don't want to miss these upgrades. And I want to thank each and every last one of you guys for hitting that subscribe button and following me. Man, that means a lot to me. Go ahead and share my videos, and let's get the word out. I appreciate it, guys. We're going to catch you on the next episode. Have a good one.